Barry Schwitters from Maynard, Minnesota. We grow corn, soybeans, sugar beets, and edible beans. Well, we had a heavy disc before, and we would disc it and then rip it as a solution to the plow for going to sugar beets, corn going to sugar beets, or corn on corn. And we went to a demo day set up by Haug, and we saw this 5200, pretty impressed on how it chopped it up and the speed that it could go, and just the overall, the way the soil was set up. And so we watched some of our neighbors who had tried some of these things, and they purchased it, and we thought we'd try it. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, and the ground is like concrete, and it's cutting right through it, and we're going 3 miles an hour faster than the same size rig that we had before, and it's doing a better job. It is top of the line equipment. It's beautiful.